In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get voice notes into Notion quick and easy, whether you're a student looking to enhance your study efficiency or a professional aiming to organize projects better. Integrating voice notes into Notion can make a significant difference. It's a user-friendly process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can get started right away. First, you want to open up the specific page in Notion where you'd like to add your voice note. Notion's interface is designed to be intuitive, so this step should be straightforward if you're already familiar with navigating through your pages. Simply locate the relevant page in your workspace and give it a click. If you're just starting out with Notion, it might be helpful to organize your pages into folders or by category, depending on your projects or tasks, for easier access in the future. Once you're in the desired page, you'll need to type in a command. This is a really handy feature that Notion offers to make the input of different elements as seamless as possible. Type in Bush Audio directly where you'd like the voice note to be placed on the page. As you type, you'll also notice a drop-down list appears with various options. This list is quite useful as it provides different elements that you can add to your page, but for voice notes, you'll want to focus on the audio option. Now, after typing what audio, you will be prompted with two choices: choose file or embed link. If your voice note is stored as a digital file on your device, choose the choose file option. This will open your file explorer where you can locate and select your audio file. It's a straightforward way to quickly upload voice memos, especially if you've recorded them on your phone or another device and transferred them to your laptop or computer. On the other hand, if your voice note is hosted online, perhaps on a cloud storage service or another web-based platform, select Embed Link. Here, you'll paste the URL link to the audio file. This is particularly handy if you want to link to audio directly from online resources or if you're using external recording tools that offer web links. Integrating audio files into your Notion pages like this not only makes your notes more dynamic, but also allows you to capture thoughts and ideas in a format that traditional text can't. It's especially effective for capturing spoken information or lectures when typing isn't quite fast enough. There you have it. Your voice notes are now successfully embedded into Notion. You can listen to them directly from the page anytime, which enables you to review or share your thoughts on the go. I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your Notion experience and helps you keep everything organized and accessible.